Sun bears down again as we drive with our friends, and on these longest days we spend all the time trying to pretend that our stories could be true. Wanting to be cool. The setting sun says the day is through. If only we knew. And we all sit round here in our hometown, listen to the waves as they all crash